Welcome to Mr. Khan English. Hey, Chloe, why are you standing here quietly? Please don't ask me anything right now. You look upset. Did something go wrong? I just want to be alone. Are you angry with me? No, I'm angry with myself. That sounds serious. What happened? Nothing big, but it hurts. Please talk to me. I'm your friend. I don't know how to explain. Try slowly. I'm listening. No, you should go. I won't leave you like this. Why do you care so much? Because you matter to me. Okay, sit here for a minute. Now, tell me honestly, what is troubling you? Today at work, I felt very embarrassed.
Embarrassed? Why?
Everyone was speaking English confidently, and I felt uncomfortable.
Did someone say anything bad?
No, but I felt people noticed my mistakes.
Making mistakes is normal.
But I froze while speaking.
That happens when you feel nervous.
My voice was shaking. I felt so small.
Don't be so hard on yourself.
I want to speak clearly like others.
You will, step by step.
I feel late. Everyone is better than me.
Everyone starts somewhere.
What if I never improve?
You will improve if you practice daily.
How should I start? I feel lost.
Start with short sentences every day.
Like simple greetings?
Yes, like, good morning, how was your day?
That sounds manageable. Should I watch English videos?
Yes, watch simple videos.
Should I repeat after them?
Yes, repeat loudly and slowly.
I feel shy speaking alone. Practice in front of a mirror first. That feels strange, but maybe helpful?
It builds confidence.
What about my fear of people laughing?
Real friends don't laugh, they encourage.
I wish I had more confidence.
Confidence grows from small wins.
You make it sound possible.
Because it is possible. I believe in you.
Thank you. I feel lighter now.
Promise me you won't give up.
I promise. From tomorrow, daily practice.
That's the spirit, Chloe. I'm proud of you.
Good afternoon, Lily. Are you ready for the meeting?
Yes, I am ready. I practiced my lines today.
That's wonderful to hear. You look more confident now.
I feel a little nervous, but I want to try speaking. Don't worry too much. Speak slowly and clearly. I will remember that. Thank you for guiding me. Did you finish your report? I saw you working earlier. Yes, I completed most of it. Only 1 page is left. Great job today. Your hard work is showing. I am trying my best. I want to improve every day. After the meeting, we can practice English again. Yes, we can use small office phrases. Try saying, "Can you explain this again?" It is useful at work. Yes, I will use that sentence. It sounds polite and clear. Also say, "I will send the email soon." That is common in the office. Oh, that is easy. I can remember that line. Are you free after work today? We can practice for 10 minutes. Yes, I am free. I want to continue learning daily. You are improving step by step. I can see your progress. Really? That makes me very happy. Confidence comes from practice. Just keep going forward. I will not give up. I feel stronger now. Let's go to the meeting room. It's almost time to start. Yes, let's go together. Thank you for always supporting me. That's the spirit, Nancy. Consistency is very important. Yes, I will stay consistent every day.
Let's try a small role play now. Imagine you are in your office. Okay, I will try my best. Good morning, Nancy. Did you finish the project? Yes, I finished it yesterday evening. Can you send me the file, please? Sure, I will send it right now. Excellent. Your pronunciation sounds clearer today. Really? That makes me very happy. Yes, I can see improvement. Your confidence is growing. I feel less scared while speaking now. That's because you practice daily. Practice changes everything. I understand that. Now, let's learn one more sentence. Say, I am learning step by step. I am learning step by step. Perfect. Now say, I believe in myself. I believe in myself. Very powerful sentence. Always remember it. Yes, I will remember it every day. What will you do after this practice session? I will watch an English video and repeat sentences. That is a smart plan. Listening and speaking together helps a lot. I enjoy learning English with you. I am happy to help you. You are doing amazing work. Thank you for always encouraging me. Before we finish, say one full line about your progress. I was nervous before, but now I feel stronger. Wonderful sentence. You spoke it clearly. I feel proud of myself today. And you should be proud. Small steps create big success. Yes, I will keep moving forward. Let's meet again tomorrow for practice. Yes, I will be ready. See you tomorrow, Ria. Nancy, you worked very hard today. Do you want to go outside for some fresh air? That sounds nice. I think I need a break. We can go to the park near the office. It is quiet and peaceful. Yes, I like that park. It helps me feel calm. Let's finish our tea and leave. The weather looks beautiful. I agree. A short walk will refresh my mind. Do you prefer walking or just sitting on a bench? First, we can walk slowly. Then we can sit and talk. Good idea. Talking outside always feels better. Yes, I feel less stressed in open places. Should we invite anyone else or go alone? I think just us today. I want a peaceful time. Okay, just two friends relaxing together. That sounds perfect. Thank you for thinking about me. Friends always notice when someone feels tired. You understand me very well. What do you want to talk about in the park? Maybe about dreams and future plans. That sounds interesting. I love talking about goals. I want to feel more positive about my journey. Fresh air and good conversation will help you. Yes, I already feel lighter just thinking about it.
Do you want to buy some coffee on the way?
Yes, a warm coffee sounds amazing.
There is a small cafe near the corner. They make good coffee.
Great. Let's stop there for a few minutes. After that, we can walk slowly under the trees. I like watching the sunset in the park. Sunsets make everything feel calm and hopeful. Yes, they remind me that every day can end peacefully. Maybe we can practice English while walking too. That would be fun and useful at the same time. You can describe what you see around you. Okay, I will try simple sentences like, the sky looks orange today. Yes, and the wind feels cool. Perfect. You are learning even while relaxing. Learning feels easy when I'm happy. That's why balance is important. Work and rest both matter. I understand that now. Do you feel excited for this little outing? Yes, I feel excited and relaxed already. Let's pack our bags and go now. The evening is waiting for us. Okay, let's go together and enjoy the moment. Today is about peace, smiles, and fresh thoughts. Thank you for bringing positive energy into my life. Always, Nancy. Good friends walk together in every mood. I'm lucky to have a friend like you.
This walk was really refreshing. I feel relaxed now. Yes, the fresh air helped me a lot. Oh, look, there is a small coffee shop. It looks cozy. Yes, let's go inside and sit for a while. Good idea. We can drink coffee and practice English. That sounds perfect to me. Let's order first. What would you like to drink? I want a hot cappuccino today. Nice choice. I will order a latte for myself. Oh, the smell of coffee already feels comforting. Let's sit near the window. The view is beautiful. Yes, I like watching people outside. Okay, now English practice starts. Are you ready? Yes, I'm ready and excited. Say, I am drinking coffee with my friend. I am drinking coffee with my friend. Very good. Now say, this place feels peaceful. This place feels peaceful. Excellent pronunciation. You sound more confident. Thank you. I'm trying to speak slowly.